Look how big KKV here. Ito, malupit. Hindi ko alam eh. Nakadakatin kasi.
Magkomtang ka. Pero kung gusto mong medyo magbone ka.
I-try natin pareho.
Ano?
My egg coffee. Bone.
Bone. Bone.
Siyempre, palading meron.
Bam.
No. Mami ba talaga ta?
Alam ko ba?
Happy ka, boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, laking chan mo.
What's that, Gracie? What's that?
Bone.
Bone. Bone.
Bone is beef steak. Beef with sunny side up.
And
Pate. Okay.
served with...
Bami. Okay.
Okay.
Start. Dapat ba ito yung nahalo?
Hindi, wala. Depende sa'yo kung ano trip mo.
Trip yan.
Trip yan. Trip yan. Kung ano trip mo, trip mo. Yeah.
Hindi
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah. Yeah. Bone.
Ako.
Yeah.
Ito, mantika.
Gravy mantika.
Wala sa loob onions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ito yung hinahanap-hanap ko ng araw na. Pati.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Talaga.
Eat mo na.
Malambot.
Eat muna kami. Up. Okay.
Malambot.
Okay. Eat muna kami. Pangtapat kay Sunshine.
Sino yan?
Taong nga. Ano na masasabi mo? Hey, Gracie. What's up for that, Gracie? Lalos. Uy, bata doon.
Uy.
Let's go.
Where are you going, Yubi?
To market. What's that, Gracie? What's that?
We're here at the port of Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City.
And it says, Chukmong Namuy.
Namuy mo rin. Hala mo?
Chukmong Namuy.
Namuy mo rin.
Ayun si ano, pakita mo
Sino?
si...
Si
Ano,
Avengers Tower.
Avengers.
Avengers Tower, transform. Where are we going, Gracie?
Crawling.
beside the park.
The park?
Park.
The park.
You know the park?
The park. The park.
Not like McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Diba? Sana tayo meron din ganito na napupuntahan talaga ng tao. Imagine mo, sa gitna ng city. Kasi walang amoy dito, ha? Hindi tayo makapasyal sa Luneta kasi ang baho.
What's that, Gracie? What's that? Iswing? Where is the iswing? Is that iswing?
Yeah.
Iswing! Iswing! Woo!
Pag gusto mong mag-chill,
Oh, para ako nag-workout. Oh.
Ay, saya.
Iswing! 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 Gracie! Iswing! 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 Panay mo ka, Iswing! Iswing! What's this, Gracie? What's this? Look it, Gracie, look it! What's that?
My new baby.
What's that, Gracie? What's
Para
that?
hindi na ako manghihiram.
What's that? Baliktad. Yan, ganyan.
Wala naman.
Okay.
Hey!
Okay.
Tan-tananan! Tan-tananan!
Ooh. Wow.
Ano ka?
Wow. Wow. What's that, Gracie? What's that?
Gel Cayano 32.
32.
Yeah.
So, it's like his and hers. Yeah. You love me so much.
Yeah.
Cayano 32. All right. Hey, Gracie. What are we going to do, Gracie?
Drink.
So, this is
Pre-drinking. Ay,
Guinea.
may term dun eh.
Di ba?
Pagiyang ba?
Naku, ano yun? Term ng mga millennial ba?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi. Tayo millennial nga pala. Ay, hindi. Tayo Gen X. Millennial.
Pampagana
Okay. So,
ng
Bia.
Bia.
Saigon. Bia. Bia. Ha?
Sino Bia? Bia Saigon.
Where are we going, Gracie? Where are we going?
A night tap.
Where?
Muy bien.
See you later. Bye. Where are we, Gracie? Where are we?
Heading to Muy bien.
Party.
Party. Brace yourselves.
Tabi tayo doon.
Merali.
Tabi tayo dito. Tabi tayo dito.
Merali.
Mer.
Pag hindi po pinaglalaban nila.
More beer! More beer! Sorry, more beer! More beer!
Pag hindi. Ayan o. Ano na, ha? Ano ba gusto nyo? Ito na. Di ba baliktad tayo?
Hindi, di ba mag-iisang beer tayo dyan sa kanto?
Ito ba yun? Kaya sa kabila?
Ito yun.
Hit nila. Ang ganda nila.
Dito sana may pwesto. Where are we, Crazy? Where are we?
Right here na. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
And ito yung bar namin. Get this.
Tia, Taiko.
Yes, I
Tia, Taiko. Tia. Tia. Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, all we Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, Radio all we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, all we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Baba, Radio Anu, Radio.
Boy, bakit gano'n?
Gago. Kasi boy eh.
Nagsuplat na sa akin eh. Sino ba ito? Girl! Ay, girl boy. Are you a girl or a boy? Doggy? Dog. Oh. Carbs.
What's that, Gracie? What's that?
Carbs.
Protein.
Tin. And a dessert. Seafood fried rice. Okay? We will try it. Tignan natin kung tama sila. Sinasabi nilang masarap siya.
Kompasado.
They're really, really good.
Mmm! Ay,
Winner, winner.
winner, kaloka.
Winner, winner.
Panalo, masarap.
Panalo, panalo.
Masarap.
Sorry.
Lasa mo yung seafoods talaga.
Winner, winner, winner.
Mm.
Alright, alright. Ako naman. Gutom na ako.
We're done for tonight.